Everyone, class 4th English reader. Today's chapter is chapter 3, Amazing Plants. Here in this chapter we'll learn about the varieties of plants and how do they make their own food. So let's start. Plants gives us food to eat. What do plants eat? Most plants make their own food. Do you know some plants eat insects and small animals too? Read on to find out more about these plants. We eat food because it gives us energy. Good food helps us to grow strong and healthy. That we all know about the plants. Plants gives us many things to eat. We get grains from plants. Plants also gives us fruits and vegetables. We also know that most animals eat plants. The cow and the goat eat grass. Giant pandas eat bamboo shoots. Elephants eat sugarcane. Did you know plants also need food? Yes, plants also need food. Most plants make their own food. How? Let's see. They get water, salt, and other things from the soil. When the sun shines, they mix all these things in their green leaves and make food. Some plants, however, are not so lucky. The soil they grow on may not be good enough, or they may or not get enough sunshine. So certain plants also eat animals. They don't eat big animals like cows or elephants. They can eat only small insects and flies. Yes, plants also eat small insects and flies. These are carnivores and meat-eating plants. They use the sneakiest of tricks to trap insects for their food. Sneakiest, most silly terms. It is a term of most silly. And it is a most silly trick that is used for plants to eat food for the animals they used to eat. Some plants catch insects and eat them to get the food they need. The leaves of pitcher plant are shaped like jugs. You can see in the picture also. They give out juices that digest an insect which falls into these pitcher shaped leaves. In these kind of holes you can see over here, and these insects which falls into it and the pitcher shaped leaves. The sundew plant. Number 2 is sundew plants. That is sundew plant grows in marshes areas. Its leaves are covered with small hairs which coated with glue. When an insect sits on shiny beads, that kind of shiny beads you can see over here, it gets stuck and cannot fly away. The leaf bends over, wraps up the insects and digests it. Yes, due to this, the glue on the beads, the insects stuck over here, and the juice come out from the plants, and then they digest the insects. Moreover, another plant that eat insect is the Venus flytrap. That is, you can see in the picture also. That is Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap also grows in marshy areas. Its leaves have 2 flaps like this. These are flaps that is like this. Work like this manner. Also grows in marshy areas. Its leaves have 2 flaps like doors in our houses. They can open and close. Yes, they can open and close. The leaves of the plant are sweet smelling. When a fly or an insect sits on a leaf, the flaps close, trapping the fly inside. Yes, due to the sweet smell of that plant, the insect attract to these plants. A juice flows out from the leaf that digests the fly. When the fly is eaten up, the leaves open again. So this chapter is over now. Here are some word meanings. We have to learn it, and there is a tick, the correct true false. We must try to do it if we understand the chapter clearly. So thank you.